Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineer. Today, I'll be showing you how to detail a simple slab reinforcement for a building using this Stonebridge company detailing template. Okay, so you're welcome to Ekidel. As we all know that here in Ekidel, we train future civil and structural engineer to build their career to the highest point. Okay, today I'll be using the Stonebridge company structural detailing template to teach you how to detail a reinforced concrete slab, as you can see it here. So by the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to detail a simple slab reinforcement for a concrete building. So right now, I'll just go right here and then copy one of my plan. As you can see it here, we have a lot of plans here. So I'll just copy this plan which I want to perform the slab detailing right now. So I'll right click and then I'll just say copy. Then I'll go here right now and open my Stonebridge company structural detailing template. Now, if you don't have this template, I'll say you should click on the link down below where you can download this template, but it is not for free, it's just for $5. And looking at this template right now, this template has a lot of samples, as you can see it here, which you can use to perform your structural detailing, as you can see for beam right here. So all you need to do, once you want to perform your structural detailing right now, all you need to do is just to copy your plan and then paste inside this Stonebridge company structural detailing template, and then you go and locate. Since you want to perform a slab detailing for this building right now, we will just go right here on this template sample here and copy a slab detailing just here so that we will know the principles on how to detail this slab. So just copy it right now because everything, all the structural detailing done on this template is being done to a global standard. So I'll just come here right now and paste it just here and then use a circle or a block to block this one to know that this is just a sample which I'm trying to copy from. Okay, so right now to perform your slab detailing right now, I'll show you in full details and the principle on how to perform your slab detailing. So right now, the first thing I'll do right now is first I'll take off all these dimensions first for now because I don't need it right now because I want to get just a clear view on how to detail my slab. So I'll just remove these dimensions right now and then also remove these beam names and also remove this and also this and also this one, and then remove all the things which are not necessary from this place. And then right now I will not have to come in right now. Check on this template. As you can see it here, it is called slab reinforcement detail and sections. So I'll just come here right now and change that to right now to slab reinforcement, reinforcement, detail, and sections. So right now we have renamed that right now to what we are planning to do right now. So to now detail your slab right now, you can see that on this place we have a layer called reinforcement as Stonebridge rebars. So right now we just go to this place right now, activate that layer called Stonebridge rebar layer. So this is it here. So right now I want to show my bottom reinforcement right now. So I'll click online, I'll just say L, enter, and then I'll click at this point at the center line of this right now, and then go over to this place right now, keeping my line straight over to this place, and then keep it here. Now, right now, slab reinforcement always starts with from the cover of the beam. So right now, what I'll do right now, I'll just offset my cover of concrete, which is 25 millimeter cover. In this case, I'll offset it right now, and then extend this reinforcement up to that cover right now, and then remove this line of reference, and then I will now click line and enter, and then impute my bending for my slab reinforcement as 100, which is always 100, and then I'll now I'll also impute my lapping. Lapping length is always 50 multiplied by the diameter of the reinforcements. So in this case, the diameter of this reinforcement right now is 12 diameter, 12-meter diameter. So right now I'll say QC enter, applying the formula right now, which is 50 multiplied by the diameter of bar. So 50 multiplied by the diameter of the reinforcement, which is 12, that gives me 600 as my lapping length. So right now I'll just impute my lapping length right now, L enter as 600. As you can see it here, 600 millimeter, and I'll type enter. So right now I'll do the same thing again for these other ones again. So I'll just first of all offset my cover of 25 cover. I'll offset this first, which is the cover of concrete. I'll now extend this line of reinforcement up to that cover and then remove this line of reference right now, and then type L enter and impute my bent up, which is always 100 for slab, enter. Then I can now go right now and impute my lapping. I've already showed you how to calculate this lapping length, which is 50 multiplied by the diameter of bar. So in this case right now, the diameter of this bar is 12 millimeter, and if you apply the formula 50 times 12, that gives me 600 as my lapping length. So I'll enter this right now. So right now I have created my first bottom bar, as you can see it here. Now there is no need for us to have a curtailment because this or any mid-span lapping, because this reinforcement is not up to 12 meters. This is just 8 point something meters, as you can see it here. As we know that a full reinforcement, the length of a full reinforcement is 12 meters. So this is within that 12 meters. So there's no need for us to cut the bar. So this is now okay. So right now, I'll also place another one again on this other direction. So right now, I'll do the same rule again. Click at this place, at the center line here, and then click here also. Right now, then offset my cover of concrete of 25. So I'll set my cover right now, offset the cover here, and also offset the cover here right now. Then extend this to this cover and extend this also to cover right now. And then I will now go right now and delete this reference line of my cover right now. Also this one too, the same thing, and then enter. And then I will now go right now to now impute my bent up for the beam, for the slab. I'll do this right now and say 100. This 100 is always a default for our slab. Then impute my lapping length, which is 600 in this case right now, say enter. And then I'll go again right now again and do the same thing right here again. I say, okay, click here again and bent up of 100, enter. Sorry, bent up of 100 millimeter, enter. And then go again right now and type my lapping length of 600 right now and then enter. Okay, so right now you cannot see right now that we now have the bottom bar and also the first bottom reinforcement and also the second bottom reinforcement again right now. So right now we will now provide a top bar for this place. The reason why I'm giving the top bar right now for this is because these panels, they are like too big. So right now I'll go right now and change my layer STB, which is Stonebridge Rebar top bar. So right now again right now the top bar, you can see a sample right here. This is a sample of top bar, as you can see it here. So right now I want to place this top bar right now. So right now go here right now and just click on what line. Now top bar has a rule of taking off. And the rule of top bar, you always take 25% of the span. So right now, if I measure from here to here right now, I have this, and I measure again from here again to this line again right now for this span, I have this. So right now, to place my top bar right now, if I go right now to place the top bar right now, if I place this top bar just here right now, I will have to calculate the length of this from this point to this point, and also the length of this bar from this point to this point right now. So that is where this thing now comes into play, this span length. So right now, it is always good to use 25% of the span of the span length for your top bar encroachment into the panel and also into the panel. So right now, we do calculator right now, QC enter, and then I'll now use right now 25% of this value right now. This is 0.25, which is 25%. So let me just say 25 first, divided by 100 first. That gives us the percentage, and now multiply right now by this value right now, which is 4125. That's equals to right now. So this gives us 1031.25. It is always good to use a round figure. So I will just use 1035 right now to round it up. So I will now go right now and this place right now. So I'll just remove this first right now, delete this, and then take a line. Since I already know the length of my top bar, the length at which my top bar is entering into this panel. So I'll now do 1035, which was calculated just here right now, and I'll click on what enter. So you can see that this is the place where my top bar will have to end during the construction of this slab. So I'll do the same thing again for this other side again. So I'll take the length of this panel again, this panel here, which is 4125. So I'll do again 4125 multiplied by the 0.25, which is the 25% of this span. I'll now click on what enter. That gives me the same thing, 1031, but I always advise to leave your ending value to either 0 or 5. So with this right now, this ends on 1, so I'll have to make it up to 5. So I'll now use again right now, enter, and then type here again right now, 1035, and say enter. So right now, we can now go right now to now show our dimension for, so that during the construction, they'll be able to know the length of this top bar right now, entering into these two spans. So I'll now go here right now and put this one right here, and then go again, continue dimension right now again, and dimension here also. So right now, I have already shown anyone reading this drawing that this top bar is entering 1035 on this panel, and also 1035 on this panel also. So I can choose to shift this one to bring this one downward right now. Can choose to bring this one downward right now, and then remove all these dimensions which are already shown here. Okay, so right now Next thing right now is you now look at this sample right here. You can see that the color of this of this bin using this Stonebridge company template is not the same with what have you. So I'll just do match properties right now. That's why you need this template. So I'll just match this right now to change this color right now, to change this to this and to this and to this right now and to this also, and also to this right now, to this, and then change to this right now, okay, and this also, and this right now, and then also this, and then this, okay. So right now we are almost done with this. So we have changed all this, right? You can see how it looks right now, very clear. So right now we have done this right now. Next to do right now is now also match properties again right now, match with the grid line right now, match this right now, and then just swipe this out like this and swipe again to match again. So right now, let's do right now is to now call out our number of these bars. As you can see from our sample here, you can see the number of the bars here, you can see that. So right now, having this template right now, I'll just go right now to check what this layer is called about. This layer is called slab ring core. So I'll just go right now and then choose my slab ring core layer, as you can see it here. Then go over here right now and then click on line right now, and to now call out the number of the reinforcement found in this of number of this reinforcement found in this slab panel. So I can now click on this point right now and click again on this point again right now. Okay, let me do match properties because this was not matched. So I'll match this right now to this place. So right now I can now go right now to now offset my cover of 25. You can see it there because you must have to start from your cover of 25. So right now I'll now go right now and offset my cover of 25. I'll just click here right now and take off 25 cover 25 for the concrete cover. And you can see it right now. So if you check this right now, this gives us the 25 concrete cover. You can see there. So that shows that our reinforcement will start from this point and not at the bin directly here. So right now, I go again right now, do the same thing again here right now. Come here and also offset 25 and also click on enter. If you take from this template sample, as you can see it, you can see that we have that principle here, as you can see it here. Okay, so right now, just copy this right now. In this case, we use 20 for this one, but in this one we are doing right now, we are using 25. So I'll just copy this from this point right now and copy this all the way down to this place right now and keep this here. So that is why you can see that having this template, it makes your work very, very easy. So I'll copy again from this place again right now, copy here right now, and then go here right now, and then also place this right now to this place right now. Okay, so right now I will now go and copy the bar notation right now, copy this right now, or let me just copy from here, copy this right now all the way from here, copy right now, and then copy it right now to this place, and then paste it here directly here. Then I can now go right now and then check what is happening here, copy, do line, and then call out this my bar reinforcement outside here, keep it here, and then go right now to go and copy one of these right now. I copy one of these right now. So first of all, go and paste there before I can calculate how many numbers of bar which I have there. So let me keep this here and then just bring this downwards right now. So in this case right now, since we have already copied this right now, we now have to now calculate how many numbers of reinforcement that is found in this bar. So right now, just do right now, check these dimensions right now. First of all, from cover to cover right now, check this right now. This gives me 5650. So this is the length at which this reinforcement is going to cover. So right now, I will now go right now and then do calculator right now to now check numbers of reinforcement that will contain here. So using this using this dimension right now, which is 5650 divided by, now to get the numbers of reinforcement that will be contained on a panel for a slab, you have to divide the length from cover to cover divided by the spacing which was designed when doing your structural design. And performing this building design using Protastructure, we have our spacing of reinforcement from our design report to be 200. So right now we will take this 200. But if maybe your spacing was 175 or your spacing was 150, you can also use 150. But in this case, we have 200 as our spacing for this one, while 175 for the top bar spacing. So right now for the bottom bar spacing, we will have 200. So I'll just divide right now this length right now divided by 200 right now. That gives me 28.25. So I'll just say right now 29 approximately. So I'll just say right now 29. It is always good to add +1 when you have this when you have a decimal figure like this. So right now I'll just put 29 right now. I can see there. And the size of my reinforcement from the design report is depth 12, so it's not depth 10. So I'll change to 12, and I'll use the bar mark right now to be O2. I'll just say bar mark of O2 right now, and then click on this. And then right now, can I go right now and take this off right now? So using the same principle right now, I'll just do the same thing right now for here right now. So I'll just go right now, click at this line right now, take from this point right now, take from here right now and click at this point again right now, and then go here and copy this notation right now, copy from here right now, copy this right now from here to here, and then go here right now and offset my cover to 25 millimeter, take my cover off 25, and then go again here again, take my cover again off 25, right, 25, and this is okay. Then I can now go right now for this my sample. That's why you need this template, because everything here is already done for you. You just have to just take example and just do the same thing. So I'll copy this right up from here right now, and then go over to this place right now, and then paste this just directly here right now, and keep this here, and do the same thing again from this place again. Go here right now and copy the one going to this direction. Go here and copy just this directional arrow, and copy this from here right now, and then go here right now, and then keep this here just now. Keep this here right now. Okay, so right now you can now see what's happening right now. Now, since we have this beam demarcating these two panels right now, I'll go right now and go and check how they treat it here. So you can see that this, once you have a beam dividing each panel together, you have to show this arrow between this place. I'll just copy it right now from here right now, and then go over to this place right now, and then go here right now, and then just paste this here right now. So I can now go right now and use my description, use my cover to place it directly. So I'll go here right now and keep this here first, then copy it, just move it right now to offset my cover of concrete, which is 25 right now, and keep this here, and do the same thing right here. So I'll just escape this right now, hold this right now, copy this right now, and just do mirror right now. Mirror this up to this place right now, and then type here and say no. You cannot see how I have done it. So right now, I can now go right now and then go and copy what I have here right now. If I copy this right now, just copy this as a sample, then go here and paste it before I can now calculate my own right now. So if I paste this here right now, I will now go and measure from this point right now to this point of span right now. This gives me 3850. So I'll divide this right now by the spacing to get the number of reinforcement that this will occur from this panel to this panel, from this end to this end, as you can see there. So I'll do this right now, 3850 divided by 200, which is my spacing of the reinforcement from the design report. That gives me 19.25. So I'll just say 20 automatically. 20. I'll always add plus one. So 20 right now. This is 20 right now. So I'll go again right now. Remove this right now and do the same thing for this other place again right now. Measure this again from here to here right now, and then check what I'll get. This gives me 3850, which approximately it will be the same thing. So 3850 divided by what? Divided by 200. That gives me what? 19.25, which is also the same thing as 20 numbers of reinforcement, which is occupying that particular area. So I'll copy it right now and paste this here right now. So if I now do my general call out right now using line to call out my general line, my general number of reinforcement right now, if I call this out just here right now, I go over to the place right now and then copy one of these right now again, copy one of these right now, because this is for a horizontal numbering. I'll just paste this here right now and paste this here, and then try to bring this closer to just to make it fit and keep this here. So right now, if I now check this right now, knowing that I already have my bar diameter for this particular design right now to be 12, and then my bar mark, since I've already numbered here to be 0 2, I'll call here 01 bar mark, sorry, 01. Then my spacing is always is in 200 from in the case of this slab which you performed in Prota Structure. So right now I will now have to calculate the number of this, and also this is also a bottom bar, and this is also a bottom bar also. So right now I'll take the number of this right now, which is 20. This 20 plus 20 here, because I've already known the numbers of reinforcement that will occupy here right now. So I'll just say right now 20 plus 20, that gives me 40. So I'll go here right now and put 40 right now. 40, as you can see it here, 40. So right now I can see it here. So right now what this means right now is that 40 number of reinforcement will be occupied from this point to this point. That's what they are going to place on site. 40 numbers of reinforcement on this area, on this direction right now. we have 29. So this is what they will place on site right now. From this point to this point should be 29 numbers of reinforcement based on this spacing of 200 right now. So right now, I'll go again right now to now go and show and also show for this top bar right now. So for this top bar right now, I'll go right now again and click on this place line again and then show it here from this point again right now to this point again right now. Then hold here and take off my cover of 25 as you can see it here, and then go again here right now again. Take off my cover of 25 right now as you can see it here right now. Then I'll go here right now as I have here right now. Copy one of my line here. Copy one of my arrowhead here, copy it right now to this point and place it here right now and place this here right now, and also go again right now again, copy from this point again right now, and then also place copy from here right now and then go here right now and place this also just now this point right now, then go here right now and then copy one of these right now, copy one of these right now as you can see it here. Copy this right now from this point right now and come here right now and paste this directly at this point right now. Then try to bring this downward as you can see what I'm doing right now. Bring it downward here. You can use a line gauge right now to just gauge the line from this point right now, and so that everything will be equal. Then trim off this right now. Then bring this closer right now to this place and keep it here. And then move this line directly right now. Okay, so right now I cannot see what I've done. So right now I will not know how many numbers of elements that is being found here. But first I'll just go right now and copy this my foundation right now and then copy it and put it here right now. So right now I cannot know how many numbers of that or how many numbers of bar that is being found at this point right now. So I can now go right now and just calculate this right now from this point right now to this point right now, and then just keep this here, and then knowing that the spacing for the top bar right here, this is bottom bar and not this one here that we did before is a bottom bar, and so we have two bottom bar, one on this direction as you can see it here and one again and here, and we have only one top bar which runs all through this beam as you can see it here. So right now we now go right now to now go and for the top bar here, the spacing in terms of from our design report using Protastructure, we got 175 as you can see as you can see that. So I put my spacing right now and I put my bar mark as you can see that. Since I already have bar mark 01 and 02, I'll call this one bar mark 03 right now. Okay, I've already done a lot of video on how to on how where I explained about this bar mark. So watch my previous video and can learn that. So I can now do this. The diameter of bar for this top bar is also 12 diameter. So I can now go right now and check my numbers of top bar that will occupy from here to here. So right now I will now go right now and check this right now using this one right now. So 5 6 50 divided by the spacing of 175 as you can see here 175. So 175 that gives me numbers of a reinforcement that will occupy in that area. So this gives me 32. I would now say a plus one that gives me 33. So always add plus one for any kind of slab detailing. Okay, I'll now do 33 right now and put that here. So you can now see what I've just gotten right now. So I will now go right now and just bring this, just stretch these ones downward right now and just keep them here, just to make it perfectly okay. Keep them here and then stretch this also the same thing, and then stretch this backward and then keep this one here, and also stretch this again backward again. Let me just stretch this backward right now and then keep this one here, and stretch this again backward and keep this one here. Let me stretch again. Use it stretch right now. Stretch this and keep this one here. Okay. So right now you there I cannot take off this right now. I cannot go and remove this right now. Remove this right now and then remove this. So we take this by using E enter, and then you can now see how we have done this just now. So right now, if you see what I've done right now, you can see what I'm doing right now. So right now, I'll just take this right now and bring this up this place right now, as you can see it here. So if I want to cut, okay, first of all, again, now let me explain to you right now what these numbers of reinforcement be. Now, during the construction, this is what they'll have to do. Let me just copy this right now and keep this here right now. Now, during the construction right now, you can see that we have told them that this place have to get 20 numbers of these bars will occupy 20 numbers on this panel, as you can see it from here to here, 20 panels. So right now, during the construction right now, let me just block this right now. Let me just apply a block right now to block this. I'll apply B block and then just type any value right now, just keep that here. And so during the construction right now, this is what they'll have right now. Let me just block this again. Using block this right now, block this, okay, and then B enter, and then just type a value right now and put that there, and then enter. Okay, Now, if I copy this right now, okay, copy this right now, move this right now from this point where it is to this very point where I have my cover right here. So this is where my first cover will start from. My first reinforcement will start from is from that point right now. Okay, so this is now what we are going to have right now. Let me just copy this right now. This is how this bar will be placed during construction of this slab. So right now, I'll just say copy, CP, copy. Now, if you see right now that our spacing for this bar is what? 200. So at site, once they have placed this first reinforcement from this cover, from the beginning of this cover right now, they will now begin to now use chalk to now mark, they will use a marker to mark on this board 200 spacing. So right now, they will first of all place the first one here at the cover and then begin to place right now 200, enter, and then the next again is 400, enter, because I am just doing plus 200. So again, now 600, enter, then again 800, enter, and then again 1000, enter, till they get to this number 20, as you can see it here. So again, now they will have 1200, enter, plus 200, which gives me 1400, plus 200 again, 1600, plus 200 again, that's 1800, plus again, that gives me 2000, plus again, that gives me 2200, plus again, that gives me 2400, 400, plus 200 again, that gives me 2600, plus again, that gives me 2800, and again 200, that gives me 3000, and again, that gives me 3200, plus 200 again, that gives me 3400, plus again, sorry, let me undo that, plus again, that gives me that gives me to 3000 400, plus again, that gives me 3600, enter. That gives me again the last one. They will just go right now. I can see that because we are almost at 4000. They will now go right now and place that last one directly at this very point, which is at this point I play this right now. So if you count this right now, if you count this right now, you can see that if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can now see that what these things means that you should place. Sorry, this was to be 40 because this plus this is 20. So this to be 40 right now. Let me do this to be 40, right? This is 40. This is 40, not 20, because 20 is just on one side, but on the two sides will be 40. So what this means that you should place this one right now, as you can see 20 right now. As you can see how they are all bent up also. Now the same thing happens here right now again. So we just have to copy the, I don't know why this is not blocking. Let me just block one of these. That will be easy for us to copy right now. So let me just do this same thing again right now. Let me block. I don't know why it's not blocking. B, enter, which is block, enter, and then I just type a value, as you can see here, and then let me see what's happening. Why is not blocking? Retain or create convert to block, and then click on what? Okay. 65 points, base points. I don't know why it's not blocking. Just put that here right now, and then select block. Okay, I don't know why it's not blocking right now. I don't know why, but let me just copy it right now. So if I have to place here again right now, I'll just copy this right now from this point again right now. So once they are done with that one now, they will now go and place for the next again. They will copy again from here and then place at this very point again from cover. You can see how they skip the B and then place and then now begin again right now. So from here again right now, they now begin again right now, start pasting again. Now since we have already similar what is here, so I'll just go right now and just do a mirror right now. Just copy this right now and then copy this again from here right now and do the same thing to here also. And I'm just trying to show you how this thing will look like during construction, because most of you have not yet been to site because you don't, maybe you have not gotten that privilege before. So I want to just show you how this reinforcement will be during the construction at site, how they will place this reinforcement based on our calculated numbers. You can see it here. These As you can see it here, gives us 40. As you can see it here, from here, this point to this point. So right now, let's go again right now and do the same thing here and just copy this right now to this place again just now. Okay, so right now we now go right now and say CP, which is copy, and then copy it from this point. Let me copy from the baseline here and also from this point again. So you can now see how we have gotten this right. So this is how it will be during construction on a site. Then we have done placing this one right now. So we now go again right now to now place. Let me change this color right now. This other bottom bar color to let me use green, okay, or let me use magenta pink. Okay, so right now I'm begin to now place this one also, or let me just use red. Red will be nice, this one. Okay, so I can now go right now and then move this right now from the point where we have it here to the our cover, where we have our cover. So this is our cover for it. So just place it here right now, and then hold this one again right now, copy, just select this again right now, select this right now, select this again right now, select this and make it to bring out to be the first. Then go here and copy this again right now, copy this right now, and then copy this again right now, and then go and say copy right now. So once I apply copy right now, looking at directly from this very point just now, from this very point now, I can now begin to offset my spacing of 200. So I can now put 200 again right now. Then 200, going again 400, going again 600, going again 800, going again 1000, going again 1200, going again 1400, going again 1600, going again 1800, going again I'll now have 2000. Then I'll now go again to the next again, which have plus 200 again now, 2200 plus 2400 plus 2600 plus 2800 plus 3000. So I get that again plus 3200 plus 3400 plus 3600 plus 3800 plus 4000. Okay, now again right now again plus 4 because here contains 29 numbers. Can see there 29 numbers. So right now again, I'm going right now to now play. What happened here? I didn't place here. I didn't place this one here. What happened here? Something happened here that I just missed right now. I missed something here. Shall we? I'll again 4,200, 4,600, 4,400. Sorry, 400. 4,600, 4,800, 5,000. Okay, then again right now say 5,200. Okay, 5,000, 5,400, then 5,000, 5,600. Let's check if we have gotten, okay, we are almost there right now. I can see there. So we can now go right now and then check what happened here. We skipped a point here. So right now, let's just go and put that, check out what's happening here. The spacing here must be 200, else we skipped a point. This is 400. That means we skipped a point. So let me just go right now and just copy 200 downward again, 200 downward again, and just copy right now 200 downward, 200 plus 200. So right, you can see that all our spacing now becomes uniform. The same thing happens here again. We missed again, another one again. This is 400 to, we missed again, 200 again. Let me just place that again right now, and then go here right now, and then place that again just now, and place this right now and say 200. Okay, so right now you can now see what you have got. So if we count this red line right now, we should be able to have 29. Else that means we skip. Let's count right now. So count 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. We skipped some. What happened here? This spacing is too, this spacing looks too close to each other. Let me see what happened here. This gives me 100. That's bad. Here is going to be 200 each facing. So there's a mistake here. So I'll just remove one from each of these places right now. You can see that happening here. I'll just take off one from each of that places right now. Take off this right now, and then this, and then take off this also. Okay, this is what we should be having. This is what we should, sorry, undo. We should be having this right now. Okay, that's okay. The same thing happens here. We'll take off this right now, and then take off this now, and take off this again. Just sorry, something happening here. Take off this now. Okay, I'll just not show you how it will be placed on site because most of you do not have not on site before. I'll place this. Okay, so right, this is how it is. So if now can't right now, it should give us directly. So if we check the spacing, let me check this right now. This is 200. Okay, that's okay. This also okay. That's okay. All right, let's count right now. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, okay, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, okay, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And then if you look, remember that we did an approximation. So the last one we place directly at this cover right now. So you can see that we are 28. So if we place this last one right now, that gives us 29, as you can see it here. So this is how they place bottom reinforcement. So this is the main bottom reinforcement, and also at one direction, as you can see it here, and the red one also is another one again. So right now we now have our top bar, as you can see it here. Let me just change this right now to like blue color and then bring it outward. Change it again to blue again and then bring it outward. And I'll just apply a join line. Let me just apply to join these two top bars together and apply join. Okay, and just try to remove this first and then remove this now. So since I've already done that, so right now if I make this one now be the main top, okay, so you can now see that if we now, let me just take these ones backward right now, backward. Okay, so right now if we begin to now, let me just select all the red, this red right now, and say rebars and then select similar, and then just say select then deselect this one. Okay, and then just send backward to just to see this. Then let me just try to increase the size of this reinforcement so that can be visible. So right now you can now see that this is our top bar. So this is how the top bar will place on this beam area. So this top bar will now go right now and start from, let me move it right now and start directly from the cover, also from this cover right now. So it will move and start directly from this place right now. Then it will begin to come right now with a spacing of 175. So let me just not to waste time, as we just say 175, and again begin just as we did on this other direction there. So, but just not to waste much time, I'll just use my eye discretion and then begin to paste for the top bar. Else, at side they will have to use that same measurement. So let me just use my eye discretion right now to just paste something so that I'll just use to explain to you guys right now. Okay, so this is just how it will be on site using a spacing of 175. Okay, this is how it will be on site. So that just begin to go and go here and go here, and then go the same way down, all the way down here, do the same thing. Okay, so while we go on, I'll say that if you have not subscribed to my channel Ekidel, I'll say you should click on on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel, because here on Ekidel we teach practical based civil and structural engineering design and drafting. Okay, so right now this is what we're going to have right now, as you can see it here. So you can see that this is now the top bar. So this is how it will look directly during the construction at site. Here you have your main bottom bar, which is the white one, and your distribution bottom bar, which is the red one. And here now becomes your top bar, as you can see this one. So this is how it will look directly at site, as you can see it here. So this is the way you have to present it during your drafting work or structural detailing. But at site, this is how they will place it using the values which you gave them here right now to now place. You can see that to now place all the reinforcement. So this is how it will look at site right now. Okay, so thank you so much. As we have got to the end of this tutorial right now, in my next video I'll be showing you how to draw this section, because we have to cut section to this do this slab. If you check on our sample here right now, you can see that we have a slab section. I can see it here, a slab section. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to cut this slab section, because every slab must have a section and also a note. And I'll show you how to type this note, and also what will be contained on this note using your slab reinforcement. So you can see how we have used this Stonebridge company template using the standard method of slab detailing, and then to now detail our own slab right here, as you can see it here. So right now, if I want to put this thing now on the on a sheet right now, so what I'll do right now is just to go right now to put this right now sheet right now. I'll just go right now from this Stonebridge company table right now. This has a place for you to print. So I'll just right now, I'll just make a copy right now, make a copy of this one that's already here, and just say create a copy, as you can see it here. Create a copy right now. So I will not have a copy just here right now. So I'll just come here right now, double click here at this, just take off this viewpoint right now first. Come here right now and just stretch down this viewpoint. I've already shown you guys how to use this viewpoint, this Stonebridge company template to like print your drawing. So I'll just right now and click here right now, and then go and look for where I did my slab detailing, as you can see it here. This is my slab detailing, I can see it. This is also this where I showed you guys, you can see it here. But right now, this is the main one that we want to print right now. So you have seen that. Okay, so right now I'll just use the scale right now. Say Z, enter, and then 1 all over. I want to use a scale of 1 is to 100. So 1 is to 100 first, SP, sorry, 100, and then SP, enter. So this is way too small. So I want to make the drawing to look bigger here. So say Z, enter, 1 all over 50 SP, and I'll say enter. Okay, so this is perfectly okay. This is okay. So this can be shown during printing. So you can see how it is right now. So you can see that if we print this drawing right now, it will be very visible. So we can now go right now and just say try to print right now. But first of all, you have to change this place first to be slab detailing. So just go here right now and say ROC, which means reinforced concrete slab slab detailing. Okay, title, as you can see there. So right now, I'll now go right now to now go and just print this right now. Click on this right now, printing right now, and then just go here and just say print to PDF or print. Since I have a printer right now which is sharp, which is this printer name right now. Just click right now, choosing my 8 paper, and just try to preview this printing right now to show you how it look like right now. And just do this right now and then say preview right here. So you can see that this is how it will look like during printing. Very perfect. You can see here everything becomes clearer for you. That is why you need this template called Stonebridge Structural Design Template. It is very good for every civil and structural engineer to have, because it makes your drawing look very presentable after you perform your structural detailing. Okay, so right now we can now, if you want to print right now, just say print, but right now I'll just say exit because I want to print right now. So right now, I'll just go right now and just close this right now, and then go back to my model view right now. So model view right now, and then we have come to the end of this lesson. Now, before I go, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I will say you should click on the subscribe button so you don't miss my coming video when I'll be drawing this slab section, and also showing you how to detail other kind of which is beam and footing reinforcement, and also showing you how to draw your foundation layout, and also showing you how to detail combined footing, as you can see, combined footing column, as you can see it here, and also column details and column sections, and also show you how to detail your beam and put your beams on sheet. So you can see that we have a lot of work to do. Also, a staircase structural detailing also is also there. So we have a lot of things to do right here in Ekidel using Stonebridge company structural detailing template. So if you want this Stonebridge company structural detailing template, I would say that you should check on the link below and download the template. It is just $5 alone. So for, like I said before, we are here to train civil and structural engineers. So any material which we have that will be good for you, we will always bring it down, and we will have to make sure that the price is not up to, at least it's no more than $20 for, so that you can be able to afford it, because we assume that everyone that is here is majorly students, because we want to train future civil and structural engineer. And also, if you are also a working class in the field of civil and structural engineer, you also need this template to also help you and aid you to perfect your work, because with this template, you can see how fast we have done to perform this slab detailing. And this is a global standard of slab detailing. So you can see that with using this template right now, we have successfully performed this right now. And I'm also showing you guys how it will look like during the site construction. Okay, so thank you for today's lesson and God bless you all.